Here we are looking at the second Ferrell Ross 10 by 12 roller mill. This unit was also last used by a university in research, so it was not used that hard. And we have checked it over, and overall it is in excellent condition. We have tested the unit. Everything is good to go. It was last used as a roller grinder, so we put it back to a roller mill. This means that we put two of the same size roller mill roll drive pulleys in there, and we're going to include the other pulley that was larger in the two belts that were used. So if the next customer would like to put it back to a roller grinder, this can easily be accomplished just by switching those out. The unit is also equipped with a Centron adjustable speed vibratory end feeder. This helps control the flow of the product going into the roller mill. This is showing the serial tag on the unit. See the size there as well. This is showing inside. You can see the Centron vibratory end feeder. You have the adjustable gate just like on the last unit. And again, you can control the vibration and control the end feed going into the rolls down there, going in the nip of the rolls. Everything is in really nice shape and in order. We tested the vibratory end feeder as well. This is showing the motor on the unit. You can see it's a 5 horsepower, 230 460 volt, 3-phase electric motor. This is showing inside the roller mill with the roll cover removed. This roller mill has 15 straight grooves per inch on the rolls. Like I said, the unit was used in research, so it was not used that hard. They were used to flake oats, and the rolls are still really sharp. I would estimate approximately 95% life left before these rolls would need re-grooved. It's going to come with this square D disconnect and the Centron control panel. You can turn this dial and adjust the intensity of the vibration of the vibratory end feeder. This here is your adjustment for controlling the gap between the rolls, right here on the side. The unit is also set up on a really nice heavy-duty stand, which will be included with the unit. It was set up so that they could put a receiving bin just underneath of that spout and collect what they were rolling. This concludes the video of the second Ferrell Ross 10 to 12 roller mill. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.